you got some type of documentation that the owner of the company said that you could film it.
Well, that's why I'm not going on the property.
That's not answering my question.
I don't have anything because I don't need it.
You do.
Okay, well, I mean, all right. I'm still going to keep here and film here, man.
Sorry?
I said I'm just going to stay here and keep filming.
I'm just going to go down 911 and let the police deal with you.
Try to do the non-emergency line. 911 doesn't need to be tied up for it. But you do what you got to do, man.
Are we being sarcastic?
No, it's not an emergency. I'm not no threat to anybody. I promise you. I got no weapons. I'm just here to take pictures. So it's a non-emergency. I do investigations and stuff. All right.
If you do investigations, that means that you would have a proper documentation that will allow you to come in and do a full investigation.
Well, I'm sure they wouldn't let me come in.
Okay, so you can leave.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Delaware Defender. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on May 13th, 2021 in Vineland, New Jersey. The auditor in today's video was doing a First Amendment audit of Sunnyside Farms when he was confronted by a security guard who was under the incorrect assumption that his job granted him some type of authority over the general public. This security guard harasses the auditor for quite some time until he actually calls the Fillings police on the auditor. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
I'm not leaving. I'm on the public street.
You are. Actually, you're standing on the pavement. Take a few steps back.
This isn't your pavement. You don't probably start to that pole there. That's why there's a fire hydrant right there, the utility line.
You want to talk and I don't.
There you go. If that makes you happier, I'll stay right here.
It'll make me happy if you just leave.
I can't leave, man. I'm here to do a job.
Then I'm just going to stay right here.
That's fine.
I'm here all night.
You can't block my camera like that, man.
I could do a whole lot more.
How? What are you gonna do, man?
I'm under the impression that I really care about this job.
Well, I don't know what else you're gonna do, man. Why are you even out here? I don't understand. If you don't care about the job, then why are you even out here? Yeah, I don't understand that part.
I know you wouldn't understand that part.
15, we'll go with it.
The part about this is that you don't have permission to film me, and I'm going to keep staying in front of your camera.
I can't hit my camera or break my stuff.
I got a better chance of hitting you.
That's not going to be a little more than your job you're going to lose then, man.
I'm not worried about that.
Why? Why do you want to get in trouble in the soul over me videotaping the farm here?
I'm not going to get in trouble.
I just want to jump in real quick and talk about what a terroristic threat in New Jersey is. A person is said to be guilty of committing a terroristic threat if he threatens to commit a violent crime against another person in order to, or with reckless disregard to, terrorize him or her, or to cause the evacuation of a place of assembly, building, or public transport. This security guard does have the right to free speech, just like every other American, but free speech ends when you threaten another individual. Multiple times during this interaction, this security guard pushes the line and, in some opinions, probably crosses the line of committing a terroristic threat.
Why are we this close to me?
I'm not touching you, so it doesn't matter.
I get it, yeah, I know, but this is just a little closer.
I know.
This is crazy. This is the craziest thing I've ever had.
Yeah, this is the craziest
I've
thing
been
I've ever
arrested, and this is crazier than me getting arrested.
I'm black. Imagine how crazy it is for me.
You're what?
I'm black. Imagine how crazy it is for me.
What does that have anything to do with?
I've been arrested for nothing. You brought up arrest. I've been arrested for nothing.
I know, it's crazy.
Something that's never even happened.
It's the same thing.
Just being black. All the cops that arrested me look just like you.
He ain't got no beard like I do. They ain't allowed to have beards like that.
You tried it. It didn't land.
What, the cops?
No, what you just said.
Cops are not allowed to have beards. I just want to be left alone, man.
I want you to leave. I guess we neither one of us gonna get what we want.
Alright, well, let's hang out together. I'm Mike, what's your name?
Okay.
Is that right? Alright, it's very friendly.
Out of my 2 years being here, never saw you or anybody else just pop up.
Oh, no.
And then decide to film something.
Yeah, I don't live
So if
around
you have
here.
a reason to be here,
Yeah, I do.
then what's the reason?
Well, I don't know. I'm not going to get into a lot of it.
Or anything of that nature. But you standing outside just filming, it's not going to help your investigation at all.
Well, no, it's just to get my own pictures. That way I own the pictures that I'm taking. That way if I want to write a story about it, I can use my pictures.
Oh, so if you want to write a fictional story about something, about a place that you haven't been able to get into, interview anybody,
well, they
find out whether or not
I've tried
anything
3 or
it
4
is
other
that you-
places, and they just tell me no. So that's why I don't even try anymore.
No, you just have security guards like me waste my time, tell you that you're not supposed to be here.
No, usually they just call the police, and then I deal with the police. That's why I said this is the craziest thing that's happened, because I usually just deal with the police.
Yeah, I'm rather irritated.
Yeah, then let them handle it, man. That's what they get paid to do. They get paid to handle civil disputes.
If I was off the clock, this would go a very different way.
I don't know what you mean by that, man. If you want to elaborate.
I'm not going to explain either.
All right.
I don't like really doing too much talking anyway. Let me go do the other part of my job. I'll be back.
Yeah, go for it.
You can't show me a press ID. Can't say what channel it is. Can't even say what the name of your news panel is. Makes me wonder whether or not you're here trying to stalk somebody.
Well, that's fine.
That's not fine.
You
Because
can
if
wonder all you want.
if you're here trying to stalk somebody, that brings up another situation, a safety issue, which it is that I'm in charge of. Safety. That's what security does. They're here for safety. I honestly believe you're here stalking somebody.
All right.
Because I don't know the reason why it is that you're here. I don't know if you're here stalking somebody. I don't know if you're here prepping yourself to do some type of harm or danger to this place. I don't know.
Well, I don't ever want to hurt anybody, man.
Your word is not good enough for me. I need some type of credentials, my man.
Well,
maybe you need to go back and do some more research or find a proper way of doing what it is that you're doing. Because right now you're not doing anything but wasting time and film. And right now my time is being involved. You're here. You're filming. I don't know what you're filming. I don't know who you're trying to film.
I'm filming whatever I can see from here. That's it. I don't got another camera hidden somewhere else.
I'm kindly asking you to go do it somewhere else.
Well, I can't take pictures of this somewhere else. That's the thing. This is only here. I gotta be here to take pictures of this.
Okay, so while you here to take pictures of this, I'm here to stand in front of your camera.
Did you call?
Yep.
Nice. This will get resolved right now.
Bruh, the only way it resolves is you leaving.
It's not gonna happen.
Okay, cool. About this.
How we doing, guys?
What's going on? Hey, what's going on?
Standing on the public street taking pictures. He keeps blocking my camera, threatening me, tells me I need to get out of here.
Actually, he's standing right here.
It's still, it's not your property though.
For some type of press ID or something, some type of permission to be here to take the pictures, or the reason he's here taking the pictures.
Can we just have him leave me alone and let me take my pictures, please?
I asked him for a reason why he's here taking the pictures or anything, and he's not giving it.
But yeah, this is nuts. I haven't stepped past that square right there. He asked me to step back. I've been back ever since. I'm pretty sure I looked the property lines up. I think it's past these poles. I think that's why they're there. That's why the fire hydrants are there. You know what I mean? So I haven't been past that. I told him I don't want to go on the property. I don't want to hurt nobody.
So the farthest you were was just on the driveway?
This square or triangle right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Just because I didn't want to be, I mean, usually people don't bother me like that. They'll come talk to me and call you guys, and that's the end of it. if it even happens. A lot of people are pretty cool.
Hey, he told you about if you want to make a complaint or talk to somebody regarding the complaint. I guess you had concerns with the
No, he didn't tell me anything. He's just been telling me to get the hell out of here. And if I don't wait, he's gonna wait. You know, if he wasn't on the clock right now, a whole bunch of good stuff. He ain't scared to take the ride. Yeah, it's been pretty good, man. I'm not real happy about it.
Yeah,
I was waiting to flag you down. I guess he called you guys, though.
Yeah, we got caught out here. We're kind of a little confused. We're like, what the heck? Usually we get caught out here for trespassing on the property itself.
Yeah, I'm not on it. I don't want to be on it, man.
So, you had, I mean, what's your, I guess since he told me something, I mean, what's your reasoning for videotaping? I mean, not that I care, you could videotape in the public. Again,
yeah,
like
that's it. I just do, like
too.
I was telling him, I'm just trying to do a story on like factory farming. So this is a factory farm. So I'm out here taking some pictures and videos of their operations from what I can get from the street. And, you know.
You need to talk to somebody from HR or anything like that?
I'll call them tomorrow, I'm sure.
Okay, maybe they can grant you permission to do an actual walkthrough.
Maybe.
You know
I've tried like 3 or 4 other places. I've been denied everywhere. So I kind of just stopped asking. They don't like my stories. And so they're just they probably don't know where I'm going to spin it, you know. And they just tell me no just because they don't know. I could tell them what I'm going to do. And they're like, oh, okay. But then someone could spin it on them. And then it's a whole deal. Okay. So, I've got denied everywhere, so I just come out and get what I can from the street.
Well, I guess you're on a roadway, so I mean, my concern is safety of a car hit you. People.
That's why I tried to stand in that square there, that triangle right here. That way I was all right.
Well, they don't want you on the actual property, so technically, if we want to speak technical terms, this is kind of on the property. So that by the guardrail, I feel comfortable. You can still record the place if you want.
Well, Mike, I'm good here though, right? I'm not.
You're in the roadway. You become technically on the road. Once the car pulls off and hits you, you know what I mean. You're kind of standing. In the roadway.
If I'm responsible for my safety, I'll be good. I can hear them. As long as I'm not doing anything illegal by standing here or walking here, then I'm fine. Then I'm good with my safety. Yeah,
that's fine. But so far, you gotta get a better angle right there. But
yeah, I just walk out when there's no vehicles coming.
Yeah, we're being audio and video, or we're audio and video recorded.
Yeah,
we're talking to you. Mind if I grab some information from you? Just as I said, we talked to you today.
Yeah, I do mind, honestly. Okay, I don't have an ID or anything on me anyway. I ain't gonna force you again. How much longer are you gonna be out here for, do you think? Probably not much longer. As long as he don't keep coming out and harassing me.
I'll talk to him. He's just a little concerned. Man. So the thing is his concern, which it's like saying if I stood in front of your house off the clock and we started doing a news story on somebody that possibly lives at your house or it's going on at your house, you're gonna be like, who the hell are you? You know, are you an ex-boyfriend to my sister or something like that? I mean, you know what I mean? We don't know that, and that's what I said we came up here to talk. And I guess his main concern, whatever interaction he had with you before that, I don't know, but again, it kind of does get the,
and then he came back and was like,
gears going when you start thinking.
You know what? He's like, my mind's been running. I just think you're stalking somebody. He just starts making stuff up.
Right, and that's what sometimes we get concerned. Like, are you here to see somebody? Does your ex-girlfriend work here? You know what I mean? It's 2021. If your significant other works here, you know what I mean? So that's the only reason why, you know what I mean? We were kind of
just factory farms. I was down the street at that Aunt Kitty's earlier, but they were pretty much closed up for the day. So
you ain't getting nothing.
Nah, so there wasn't nothing happening over there. But the same idea, just factories.
You got a phone number for this place here?
I don't, but I'm sure I can look it up.
You need it?
Yeah, I like his name. If I could get his name. If not, I mean.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Delaware Defender's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.